All right, this is the 10-minute warm-up, and I want to take this a lot into the shoulders and into the upper back. So let's get this started. Bring yourself all the way down onto your back. And once you come down, keep your feet on the floor a little wider than your hips. Knees towards center to help release your low back down to the mat. Bring your head all the way down. And just keep your knees squeezing toward each other. With an inhale, reach your arms out long past your head. And then with the exhale, just bring your arms down to your sides. Inhale, reach us out long. Exhale, arms to your sides. Inhale, reach us out long. Exhale, arms to your sides again. Inhale, reach us out long. And with the exhale, this time, bring the arms down but curl up as well. Lift your head, lift your shoulders, and keep stretching forward through your fingertips. And we'll go back and forth here. With your next inhale, roll this out. Exhale, curl forward. Inhale, roll this out long. Exhale, curl forward again. Inhale, roll this out. And with the exhale, curl, but reach to the right of your legs. Inhale, roll this out long. Exhale, curl left. Inhale, roll this out. Exhale, curl right again. Inhale, roll out long. Exhale, curl to your left side. Inhale, roll this out. Exhale, curl right one more time. Inhale, roll out long. With the exhale, curl this left again. Now inhale, roll this out. And then with the exhale, just curl back to center. Reach forward, belly pulled in, low back down. Keep looking forward. And then stretch forward through your fingertips. Lift your shoulders up a little bit higher. Just hold. Now take an inhale. And with the exhale, take hold of your knees. Squeeze them into your chest. Relax your head down. And just pull everything to the floor for a moment. Take an inhale here. And with the exhale, just release your grip. Now bring your arms out to your sides, but bend the elbows. So elbows to the floor. And in line with your shoulders, forearms vertical, make your hands into fists. And this is sort of like a bench pressing position on the floor. Now keep your knees bent and keep the legs squeezing toward each other. And we're going to use this position for twisting. So just bring your knees over to the right side, but keep your shoulders grounded. Come through center. And then sink the knees down to the left. Keep that left leg off the floor. Back through center. Knees over to the right. Bring it through center. Knees to your left side. Up through center. Knees over to the right again. And then through center. Knees down to the left. And give it one more round. Bring your knees over to the right side one more time. Just let the legs sink down for a moment. And keep your shoulders down to take it further. Maybe extend the left leg right, but keep your right leg off the floor. And then bring it through center. Knees over to the left side one more time. Let your legs sink down. Keep that left leg off the floor. Both shoulders down and maybe extend the right leg left. And then bring it back into center. Now once you come back to center, take hold of your knees, squeeze in toward your chest, and then curl up into this. Lift your head, lift your shoulders. Go ahead, roll this forward to a seat. And then once you're up, we'll take this into reverse tabletop. So feet in front of you, hips width distance apart, hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width. Now palms down, fingertips to the side at least, and if you can, try to point the fingers toward your feet. Now go ahead, press into your hands and feet, lift your seat up off the floor, and just go up and down. Inhale, press your hips up high, squeeze your glutes. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, lift your hips again. And then exhale, lower. Inhale, press up high. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, lift one more time, hold here. Now keep that lift, keep your glutes squeezing. You can look forward, look up, or hang your head back. And dig into your heels. As you hold this, just breathe. Take an inhale. And with the exhale, come all the way down. Now just take a moment, shake your hands out a little bit. We're going to bring it back up, but this time we're going to take it side to side from one hand to the next. So feet still hips width distance apart in front, hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width. Now rotate your fingers to the side and then start to rotate back and away from you. Lift your seat up off the floor, so press into both hands. Now with an inhale, press your hips up high and stay lifted here. And you can have your gaze wherever you like, but keep your glutes squeezing. Now put your weight to the left hand and then reach the right arm across, right hand toward your left shoulder. Set the right hand down. Keep your glutes engaged. Bring the left hand to your right shoulder. And then come back to center. Right hand to your left shoulder. Again, hips stay lifted. And then bring the right hand down. Left hand to your right shoulder. Hips stay high. And then come back to center. Right hand to your left shoulder again. And then both hands down. Left hand over to the right again. And then set that hand down. Now one more time, right hand to your left shoulder, maybe lift that right shoulder up even higher. And then set that hand down. Now come over to the right side. Left hand to your right shoulder. See about lifting your left shoulder up as well. Keep your glutes squeezing. And then bring the left hand down. Come all the way down to the floor. Take a moment, shake your hands out a little bit. Now when you're ready, go ahead, cross at the ankles. Roll forward your hands into all fours. And take a moment here, move around. Stretch your hands, stretch your fingers. Let the shoulders and hips move just a bit. And then bring this into center, and we'll take this into the wrist. So look down. Keep the wrists underneath the shoulders here to start, palms down. Rotate your fingertips out to the side and then in toward your knees. And do that with both hands. Now spread your fingers wide. Dig your fingertips down into the floor. And as you grip the floor, try to rotate your hands like you're spinning a disc in the direction of your thumbs on both hands. Now try to use that rotation, the tension toward the rotation, to put a deeper stretch into the wrists. And you should feel that up into the forearms. And then as you hold this, just shift your weight side to side. Lift your right knee and just bring that right leg to touch the left. And then set it down. Bring the weight to the right knee. Left knee touches your right leg. Come back down. Bring the right knee over to the left again. Keep gripping. Come back down. Bring your left knee over to the right again. And then set that knee down. Right knee over to the left one more time. And then set the right knee down. Left knee over to your right leg one more time. And then set that knee down. And then from here, keep your palms facing down, but rotate your hands the other way. So fingertips in toward the midline of the mat as far as you can go. Now spread your fingers wide, dig your fingertips down. Straight arms, press your spine toward the ceiling. And here again, try to rotate your hands. You try to spin the floor in the direction of your pinky finger. Now as you hold on to that rotation, feel it move through the wrists and up to the forearms, and just hold that tension. This could be good enough. Keep the lift, keep the fingers gripping. And if you can take things even further, maybe tuck your toes and hover your knees up off the floor. Man, that's just optional. Take it to where you can. Now if the knees are lifted, go ahead, set them back down. And then come up onto the fingertips, down to sitting on your heels, and take a moment. Shake your hands out, loosen up your fingers and loosen up your wrists. And then come back to all fours. Now from all fours, we're going to take this into spinal balance. So wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Just keep your chest facing down, look down, and reach the crown of the head straight forward. Keep your neck in line with the rest of your spine. Extend your right arm straight forward and your left leg straight back. And just stretch through the fingertips and toe tips. Now, when you're ready here, take an inhale. Exhale, squeeze in, elbow to knee underneath. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee again. Inhale, reach. And then exhale, elbow to knee one more time. Now reach back with the right hand and find the left foot. Once you have that grip, kick into your hand. Pull your shoulder forward, bring the knee up high, and then look forward. Now grip the floor with your left hand, keep your right foot kicking down, and to take this a little bit further, bend the left elbow straight toward you, and maybe come down a little bit, maybe bring that forearm all the way to the floor. Press back up, straight left arm. Again, pull the elbow in, and then see about sinking down. Come back up, left arm straight. One more time, pull the elbow back, maybe bring the forearm to the floor. Lift back up, straight left arm, and then release, and bring everything down. And take a moment here to breathe. All right, we'll take the other side. So again, wrists underneath the shoulders and knees underneath the hips here to begin. And then just keep your gaze down, reach the crown of the head forward, keep your spine long. When you're ready, reach your left arm forward, extend the right leg straight back, and keep stretching through the fingertips and toe tips. Now take an inhale here. Exhale, squeeze in, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee again. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee one more time. Now from here, with the left hand, reach for the right foot. Once you have that grip, kick in your hand, pull your shoulder forward, lift your knee, bring your gaze forward, and grip the floor with the right hand, keep the left foot kicking down. Now to take it further, bend the right elbow straight back, see about setting that elbow down on the floor. Lift back up, straight right arm. Elbow back, sink down low, take it to where you can. Press back up the straight. Pull the elbow back, come down low one more time. Press back up, straight right arm, and then release. Both hands down, both knees down. Move around for a moment. And then the last thing we're going to move into here is going to be a modified push-up. So I want you to do this on your knees. Bring your knees together, bring your feet together as well. And then slide the hands in close. So the hands are going to be about one hand's length forward of your knees, and still with the hands shoulder width. Palms down, fingertips to the side. So the middle finger points right or left about 45 degrees. Now dig your fingertips down. Bring your shoulders forward past your wrists to begin and look forward. If you want to make it harder, you can lift your feet. Now go back and forth and keep your elbows squeezing into your sides. So shoulders forward, pull the elbows in, bring your chin down as low as you can, and then press back up to straight arms. We'll do 9 more. Shoulders forward, elbows in, bring your chin down low, and then press back up for 2. Shoulders forward, elbows in, take it down low. Press back up for 3. Shoulders forward, elbows in, bring it down, and then press back up for 4. Shoulders forward, elbows in, bring it down. Press back up to 5. Shoulders forward, elbows pulled in, take it down. And then press up to 6. Shoulders forward, elbows in, bring your chin down low. Press back up to 7. Shoulders forward, elbows in, bring it down. Press back up for 8. Shoulders forward, elbows in, bring it down low. Press back up to 9. Shoulders forward, elbows in, take it down. And then press back up to 10. And then come down to your heels. And take a moment, shake your hands out, loosen up your fingers and loosen up your wrists. And that is this round of the 10-minute warm-up. Thank you very much.